Hello YouTube, Stacking Investments here. Just out working, doing some stuff. I thought I'd show you my wall of purple there. Not fully in yet, but it's coming along. I'm out here, took a break from the roof. I have from right there up to the peak, I still have this little piece here. I took a break because I was short on ridge cap. So I took a break this week. I'll start back Monday to finish this out. Probably be done Tuesday, maybe probably Wednesday with all of it. I'm just taking my time, doing a little at a time. But I'm out getting ready, cleaning up one of the trucks that I have since I don't have employees anymore. I do stuff myself. There's my truck, but got this truck up here in the yard, cleaning it out. Basically, when this employee quit, I just kind of drove it a few times and then I parked it. I just used it for storage and just doing a few things, cranked it up, power washing it, trying to clean it up a little bit to sell it. But just pointing out, this is one of the things you have with employees. Hit a pole at a gas station, cave the box in. The door does open, shut, and lock. I got it, but just one of the things you hate. You get a decent truck and your employees kill it. They caught another pole at a gas station. That's just minor. None of this was ever worth filing an insurance claim, because then your insurance goes up and then there's something on their thing. One of the other guys, it was both of them. One hit a pole, left a nice red streak. Just doing things, but I'm just cleaning it out, getting it ready to sell. Got my neighbors interested in it. Got the 6.0. Sounds pretty good. Had to replace the spark plug wires because 3 of them were broken. So put those on. It actually started up with the 3 wires broke, but she's running pretty good. One of the other things, while I was checking things out, I do remember my employee saying when they quit that the AC wasn't working. Well, that would be a good reason. The belt, the idler pulley for the AC seized up, sheared the belt. The belt was laying down in the engine, but I have no idea how long the air conditioner was out because they didn't bother to tell me until they quit. And that's something I would have put in the shop and got fixed. You know, I'd have sent them down to the shop, but it wound up being a $49 fix. I had to pull the shroud out to get easy access to it. $49 for the parts. AC's working good, so now I can ask more money for the truck because the AC's working. But just giving y'all a update. I'm working. I got a lot of things going on, trying to get my house. Working on getting the house paid off. I don't want to use any money from the business. Like, I'll be selling this truck. I've already pulled that out of the business, so I'm going to sell that truck, and the funds from that will go towards my helping pay the house off. I'll show you some more azaleas. I got some white ones. Got the pink ones. Got the butterfly and the bees out here. Butterflies are all over those purple ones. And my red dogwood's starting to